Thank you for joining us today. It has been an exciting journey. So if this is your first time here and this is your first video that you are watching, I recommend you go back, and then go and click, and it just come here, because there has been an exciting journey that you need to go back and go enjoy before you get here, right? So now let's jump right in. So as I said, I'm going to write the question down. You try and pause the video, figure it out. When you are done, you play the video and check if you had it right. Okay, so let me write the question there. The question is so exciting. Oh, somebody's waiting for the question, but the question is not coming. Oh, okay, the question is here. So let's assume I have A, A minus or difference, B union C. And I'm saying that this is the same as A minus C intersection. Wow. A, oh, this one's supposed to be B. Sorry. A minus C. Ooh, this is a question. The question finally came. So you pause the video, try and do it, which I know, I believe in you. I have this confidence in you that you are going to, get it right. So what are we going to do? Pause the video, do it. When I'm done, then you come and check. So I will start, but make sure you pause the video and do it, because I believe in you, you can do it. Right. So if we are done, now let's get together. Let's go through. So first, we need to make sure we change all the difference, right? So this difference here is affecting the whole bracket. So it means that here we are going to have A intercept. We said when you are changing the difference, you use intercept. B union C complement. So this is how we are going to get it. And this is going to be A intercept. The minus here affects only B. The minus here affects only C. So we are going to have intercept B complement and then A intercept C complement. So this is the first step. First step. Now, after we have done this, then we know what to do next, right? We let X belongs to A intercept B union C or complement, and all should belongs to A intercept B complement, intercept A intercept C complement. So that's what we're going to have. And then the next thing is X belongs to A intercept B complement, intercept A intercept C complement, and A intercept B union C or complement. So that is what we want to do. So the idea is that we pick this, then we said it all belongs to this, then we pick this one too, then we said it all belongs to this. So that's what we've done here. So let's take it one by one. Let's take it from the top. X belongs to A intercept B union C complement. So now let's go. This will be X belongs to A and X belongs to B union C. As I said, you need to expand it step by step. Now, you see this complement here is affecting everything here, right? So we know what to do. X belongs to A and X is not. So we are come to change the complement. You come X is not in B union C. Then let's continue expanding. X belongs to A and X is not in A, or it's not, does not belongs to B, or because you are using union there, X does not belong to C. So we are done with the expansion. Don't forget the trick. When you are done with the expansion, you go and look at the right hand side and look at where you are getting to, where you are going. So we are moving from this distance. This is our destination, right? So now looking at this, we have B prime, we have C prime. So first, let's go and look for A prime and B prime. Okay, so we can make sure that we get B prime and C prime too also from here. So X belongs to A And now this one, for us to get the B prime, then X should be a member of B prime. Then this guy here, we are changing this. So this guy here should change to end. So end X belongs to C prime. Good. So since now we've gotten all the prime, we've gotten the prime, we can get in the prime. Now the only thing that we can see that we can see that A goes with B prime, A goes with what? C prime. So when you come here, it means that we need to pick X belongs to A and X belongs to B prime and this end here. So when I pick this and this guy with this guy, because we can see that we have A here, A also here. So that is a smart move for you to go. So X belongs to A and X belongs to B prime and X belongs to A and X belongs to C prime. Good. And you can see N because all of them are going to give us intersection because you can see intersection, intersection, intersection. Good. So now this is in bracket. This is also in bracket. So we make sure we get them into bracket. So A and B prime are in bracket. So A, X belongs to out. What we left here is A intercept B prime. So when I factor this guy and this guy out, it will left with A and B prime and the N change to intersection. Then we have and the same thing, factor this and this out and it will be left with A and C prime and then intersection. So you are going to have X A intercept C prime. Finally, we have this and this here. We can factor it out. So you're going to have X belongs to, then it will be left with A intercept B prime. Then I will change the N to intercept and then this intercept C prime. Oh, I know you did it and you had it right. You know, that's the reason why I said, I trust you. I believe in you. You can do it. And you see, you've done it. That's good. Give yourself, if you had it right, tell the truth, okay? If you had it right, give me a thumbs up in the comment section. That would be nice. Yeah. So that is how we can move from this side to this side. Now let's move from this side to this side. Let's see how we can go about it. So I'm going to have A intercept B prime, intercept A, intercept C prime, right? Don't forget X belongs to that. So let me shift this one guy here small. Now X belongs to that. So now you see this is in the bracket. This is also in the bracket. So we are going to have all the parentheses are being interchanged. This is bracket and this is parentheses. So don't worry if I'm using them wrongly. Okay. So I'm going to have A intercept B complement and X belongs to A intercept C complement, right? So you see the way I'm doing the expansion. I'm treating this one as 1 unit, this one to 1 unit. So X belongs to this and that. So now that I'm done, I can expand because I don't have any complement. If I have complement, then I need to make sure it comes here before I expand. Since I don't have complement on the bracket, this is going to give us X belongs to A and X belongs to B prime and X belongs to A and X belongs to C prime, right? So that's what you are going to have. Now, since we are done, done with the expansion. Let's go and check there. We are from the left moving to the right. Now, looking at this, we have only one A, right? So we need to make sure that we just get one A. So what can we do? We can factor this and this out, right? So X belongs to A and we can factor it out. So we are going to have X belongs to A and so when I factor this out and I factor this out, what will be left? It will be left with this and that. So it is going to be left with X belongs to B prime and X belongs to C prime. Is that right? Now, when I go to the right hand side again, I don't have B prime, I don't have C prime. So I need to make sure I change the prime. So this one is going to be A belongs to X belongs to A, and now this one will be X does not belongs to B. And since we are changing, the N becomes O. So don't forget, and this one will be C. Right. Now, what can we see again? We can see that this guy is in the parentheses. So make sure we put B and C in the parentheses, right? Good. So we write again, X belongs to A, and so X is not a member, X is not a member out. So we are going to have X is not a member. Then in the bracket, you're going to have B, we change the O to union, C, right? Then, even if you are not looking at here, you can see that I can factor S out, but this and this are not the same. So it means that we need to make sure that this and this are the same. And if you go back to the question, you can see that we have B union C with a prime, which is here. So the prime is going to take care of this. So the next move is X belongs to A, and X is a member of B union C prime. Now we can see that this guy is right here, this guy too is right here, so we can factor them out. So X belongs to, so A, then the N change to intersection. Then we are going to have B union C prime. Wow, what a journey. So now, since we've proved that this is the same as this, and this is also the same as this, now we can conclude that this guy here is the same as this guy here. What a journey. Wow, give a thumbs up if you really enjoy the journey, and I'm giving you thumbs up in the comments. I'm coming to the comment section, coming to give you a thumbs up because you did it. I said solve it first, you did it right, and I confirmed that. Wow, we've done well, we've done well, we've done well. See you in the next video. And guess what? What is the surprise? Let's get to the next video. You will see the surprise.